Welcome back to Whatever Garage. Today we're going to paint and then we're going to sound deaden. Let's get started. Alright, it's the next day. Everything is painted and dried. And so now we're going to start with the sound deadener. And what I have here is pill mat. I don't think it's going to be enough to finish everything, but let me show you. It doesn't look very thick, but this is the 50 mil. Is that right? 50? Did I order the wrong shit? I did order the wrong shit. Damn it. Hold on. Alright, this is the 50 mil. Not as thick as I thought it was going to be. It's supposed to be the 80 mil is what I was supposed to order. Anywho, we got it. We use it. So we're going to start putting it in the back first. We're going to line everything, starting with the little speaker pockets. Make sure we get some nice sounds in here. So let's get to work. Like I said, in my other car, the other Corvette, I did this with the back window out. It was much more comfortable. Much more. Oh, look, there you go. There's a nice little fit. Ow. That'll work. Oh, I like that. That's perfect. Come on, you're almost there. There you go. Just like that. Perfect. Well, that actually went surprising. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Dirt dauber. I'm about to throw that on my clean floor out here. What do you know? What do you know? It works. All right, where's my roller? I don't have any fingernails. Cut my fingernails and I can't grip shit. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. Roller. Man, I love it when a plan comes together. Who's that quote from? George Papard. A-Team. The original, not this new crap. We'll do the exact same thing. Hot diggity. Sometimes you get lucky. Now, on the other Corvette, I had all this stuff out and I got in here and sound deadened. Well, we're not going to do that. What we're going to do is we're going to sound deaden the backs of the doors. Sound like a plan? I mean, technically this stuff still has sound deadener in it. You never had carpet in it to begin with, so. All right, back's coming along nicely. Still have that fender wall to do, and this side I just finished. So, guess we'll get this side done and go eat lunch. All right, the rear section is done. Now for the driver's side. All right, this side is complete. Woo! And I still have two little pieces left over. Put them right there. All right. So here we have it. You have the back, driver's side, passenger side. We won't get any more sound deadener in until Wednesday, I think. But the inside looks good. This is the mess you end up making with all the damn paper. All right, time to clean up. Good news, everyone. The new box has arrived. We can finish this up today. Oh, I need my light in here too, don't I? Okay, let me go get that. Here's an interesting one. Made in Turkey. I didn't know that's how you spelled it. I guess that's their way of spelling it. Pretty cool. I've been to many countries around the world, so maybe I've been to your country. I've been to Canada. I've been to Australia. Been to Germany. Been to the UK. Yes, I have. Been to France. No, I haven't seen any French people that are watching my channel, but I'm just letting you know countries I've been to. I've been to Thailand, Malaysia, Hong Kong before it was turned back over. It was 1993 when I went. Or was it 92? Who knows? Philippines, obviously. If you couldn't guess, I was a Marine. We were on Westpac, so we went all those different places. Obviously the Gulf. I've been to Kenya. I don't know why I said Kenya. Been to Kenya. That was for an emergency, but we still got to go. What else have we done? I think that was, out of all those are all my more exotic places that I would think. I mean, I've been to Bahrain, I've been to Kuwait. Trying to remember them as I go. I remember as a kid going to East Germany because we lived in West Germany, so that was long before the wall came down. I don't know if any of y'all remember that. Oh, wait a minute. No, y'all have to. Most of the people that watch this channel are older than I am. There may be a couple young ones in there, but they don't pop up on the analytics. So I guess we're an old geezer channel. And I'm including myself in that, okay? Because I just turned 55, y'all remember. Now, that's not an old geezer. I'm just using the term. You know, when you turn this old, they give you the black balloons and all that crap and think it's funny. That's it, folks. That's it. Done. We could have done that in one day had I had all the parts. So, let me take you out. I'm going to give you a nice view. Dun, da, da, da. Dun, da, da, da. She's done. All right, this has been Whatever Garage. That made no sense. Never mind. That's going to do it for this video. As you can see, we're all done. Next video, we'll be doing the carpet. So you need to come back and watch that. It'll just be in like 2 days. Okay? Whatever Garage. Out.